Hello everyone and welcome to the first devlog of what I'm gonna call Just Another Voxel Game. This is a game I am working on mainly for myself and a few friends. The idea behind this is we get bored playing games online. There's Steam games and all that kind of stuff, but they cost money. You get bored after, however many hours, probably play it 50 to 100 hours or something, and start to lose the fun, and then you have to go spend another 20, 30 bucks or whatever to get your next game. And and it's kind of the same with some of the other current voxel games out there. Kind of an endless amount of mod packs and stuff you download. Get bored, you still don't have full control of everything. So I guess the idea behind this is, well, I'm going to make my own voxel game. And with my friends, we're just going to test play it, stuff like that, as we see fit. Right now, it's just me. I don't have any sort of server or anything like that up. I have to figure that out down the road. But currently, I'm just working on general world generation. Every block is going to be able to be turned into 16 cubes, so 40,096 options that you can make any single block. Still a work in progress. Right now there's just kind of a bunch of slop in here, just to make it, quote unquote, a biome, if you will. Not necessarily worried about biomes yet. Hopefully in this next devlog, and I'm planning to do devlogs about, say, once a week. Don't hold me to that. But, hopefully every weekend I'll have a little bit of progress to show. And eventually it will be more so me just playing with friends, kind of bug testing, getting bored, logging off, and uploading whatever we did that episode. So currently, as you see, this is about it. Just playing a block game. And I'm able to mine and place blocks, and I have a little smoothing going on. Pretty general right now. And a little hotbar. That's just about it. Little cube map, skybox. And actually, the way I've set this up is the world is int max, so 2.1 billion blocks. It's literally a sphere. So technically, if I just ran straight for 10 hours or however long it takes, I would actually, end up walking here and being right back at this block. Kind of the idea behind this is, it's an actual sphere. There's kind of a limit. But shoot, it's a big world, and kind of like whatever space exploration, Dr. Stone, etc. We'll be able to go from this planet, and maybe this is the starter planet. Maybe we'll throw a moon out there. Maybe we'll add Mars. Maybe it'll become a Elon Musk SpaceX simulator game where you're your own Elon Musk. Who knows? It's just gonna be kind of however my friends and I, when we get bored, if we want to build a spaceship, maybe we'll build a spaceship in the next release of the game. Who knows? But this is, just intended to mostly be for me and my friends to play. Maybe if it gets further, maybe if there's support on these devlogs eventually, we'll see. But yeah, I'm just doing it for myself and some friends. We're all programmers. None of us are necessarily graphics programmers or anything like that. But I had a little bit of knowledge, so I'll see what I can do. I'm probably going to run into limitations and whatnot, but, now that there's AI and stuff, I've had AI make me textures and crap because I don't know how the hell to do that. But, we'll see. Just kind of go from there, see what we can get going ourselves, and, we'll go from there. But, I guess, preview of next devlog, kind of my idea is, right now the voxels, I have it working for world gen-ish. I need to add randomization and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm going to try to make it fairly smooth. I need to work on the collision system, etc., etc. But as the main idea for the next devlog is take this block, right? Maybe you have 2 blocks. You'll be able to put this into a workbench. And I have a very, very basic version of this. It's kind of working, but not really. But say you have 2 of these in a workbench. You'll be able to sculpt this, and both of these blocks, export it, and then if you have like a crafting table or a workbench or whatever we're going to call it, you'll be able to go in there, save this block that you've edited, and then duplicate it. So you need 1 stone, 1 dirt, and then you'll be able to make whatever you sculpted this into and just plop it, and it will be like, you could duplicate it, maybe make a fence, something like that. However you want it to be. And that's going to kind of be the basis of this game. It's going to be a voxel game, but hopefully, if we give you enough, 4,000, you can make a dirt block. You can edit 4,000 little pixels of that. So hopefully that's enough for now. Maybe if I ever figure out how to make something performative, maybe we'll be able to do more than 16 cubed. But we'll see. For now, performance is not my biggest concern. I'm just trying to get something playable for myself and some friends. And we'll see. We'll go from there. But if you're interested at all, stay tuned. And hopefully next week I'll have another devlog up for everyone to see. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.